Welcome to Oracle CX Marketing Help Center videos. In this video, we'll show you how to define segment conditions in CX Unity. The CX Unity segmentation canvas comes with a full set of tools that allow you to define segmentation conditions based on a wide range of attribute data. When you start adding common attributes to the canvas, such as gender or state of residence, the input field gives you a list of options to choose from. So instead of having to guess if you need to enter CA or California for the state attribute, you'll just need to select the correct attribute value from the drop-down list. An important aspect of setting conditions for a segment is selecting how to link data objects to the base object you selected when creating the segment. After making a selection and adding the attribute to the canvas, click the target icon to see what related data objects and attributes you can select to link together. In this example, the linkage between the product data object and the master customer base object includes the order item data object. So, for example, this allows you to set a condition that targets products that are classified as brand A and have a list price greater than $15. The segmentation canvas comes with a number of intelligent attributes that use rules to aggregate attribute data. For some intelligent attributes, such as average order value, you can target customers based on bands from lowest to highest. That means you can target the top 10% of customers with the highest average order value or the bottom 10% of customers with the lowest average order value. Aggregation functions let you aggregate attribute data based on count, average, sum, maximum, and minimum values. So, for example, you can define a condition that targets customers that have purchased more than $300 worth of products within the past year. For more information on segmentation in CX Unity, you can visit our Help Center. Thanks for watching.